Hello and welcome to ET Garage. Before I start this video, I want to let you know that it is cold outside. And it's cold out here in the garage. But anyway, before I go any further, I want to wish everybody a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I don't know if I'll make any more videos before the end of the year, but I'm going to get on with this one. And this is a 2-year review of my shop lights, which I got off of eBay. And I'm also going to go over a couple of upcoming videos that I'll be doing. So, let's talk about these shop lights. I got these shop lights off of eBay. There's actually two different types that I got. I bought one set and then I got some more. And I don't know if I'm going to provide links to them or not because it's like 2 years. That's a long time. Everything changes on eBay, especially for cheap Chinese eBay shop lights, so they probably may not have the exact same models. That's why I have two types. Like after I installed these, I went to order them again and they didn't have those. They had another type, so I ordered them. But basically they're all the same. They're LED shop lights. You know, they're basically look like the old fluorescent tube lights, but they're LEDs. And after 2 years, they're holding up great. Now there is one that did burn out, but that's not an eBay shop light. That came from Home Depot, and that's that one over there. I don't know if you can see it or not. They work great. They really eliminate the shop. There's nothing worse than working in a dark area. I'm probably gonna get. I gotta get at least one more to replace that one, and I want to add a couple more in my shop down in the garage, which we'll go to here in a second. But in a future video, I will be reviewing this Chinese diesel heater. I don't have it running right now. I'm not out in the garage. I'll go into that in the video when I make it. And I just got it temporarily installed for now. So I'll get into it more as I get... I'll do the video after I get some more time with it. So for now, we'll go down in the basement. Where my other workshop area is. I have this Dana 36, which has issues, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to try and repair it. And it's not anything to do with the ring and pinion, it has to do with the posi unit. If anyone's not familiar with Dana 36s, I will leave a link to a video I did about them at the end of the video, along with the original shop light install shop light video that I did, that I'm doing a review of. So that should be all coming in upcoming videos, plus some more projects on the C4, and hopefully I'm going to get out there and do some traveling to some locations and do some videos on them. They don't seem to get a lot of views, but I'll do them anyway. I'm going to end the video here. It's a short one, I know, but hey, what can I say? Maybe I'll get busy on this. But I want everybody, like I said at the beginning of the video, have a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and a Happy New Year. So, God bless.